Good evening. Welcome to Option Center. Hey everybody, it's Monday after the bell, 11/22/21. If you're new here, go down to that bottom right hand corner, hit that Option Center logo, and subscribe. If you like this information, if it helps you out in any way, please hit that like button. It just helps us get those algorithms shaking and moving for us, and helps other people get this information as well. So we're going to go through just a quick market update on the SPX down from the daily down to the 65. We may check out a couple other charts, VIX and SPY as well. But overall, the plan is still working. What we've done here, we've drawn a megaphone because I do think this is still the end of wave 3 and we are correcting in a large way. In a megaphone pattern. So at the end of wave 3 here in the white, that's intermediate wave 3 of primary wave 5. We're looking at correcting an A, B, C megaphone type expanded flat. And what that means here, the structure is going to be a 3-wave move down. That's A, B, C, and a 3-wave move up. And I know what you're going to say. Isn't there 5 waves right here? Well, we'll go down on the 65 and I'll show you exactly why I think there's 3 waves. And it's very manipulative what the market does to shake you out and keep you guessing. And down for the C, we're looking for a 5-wave impulsive move down. I don't think this is going to be pretty. I think it's going to be fast and furious. If it is not, then we will see, then we think there will be more corrective in the fashion that this may be a wave 2. So that would be 1, 2, and then a higher low, which then we start impulsing on a wave 3 up. That's for the bulls. I'm not with the bulls yet. I'm with the bearish scenario and then the bullish scenario. So we have A, B, C down to the bottom of the channel, 382 correction, or maybe this rising pivot. And then we start traveling to the upside impulsively with a brand new 5-wave move to end intermediate wave 5 into the end of impulsive, primary wave 5, which would bring us to the end of this bull market. So that still is months out if that's the scenario. But big picture, we'll talk about that on the weekend update, or maybe even through Thanksgiving. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how dinner is if I stick around. Just kidding. Going to the in-laws. Okay, so moving on to the MACD. MACD finally making that cross with a little bit of separation. You see the histogram starting to expand. That we did get a divergence there when we made new highs. So there's something I want to talk about with that candle, though. This reversal candle here, it's all about the close. Okay, very important. We gapped up and then went off of a catalyst news, but really all the market wanted to do was make that last touch there to target, and started to reverse. And if we would have closed above this fuchsia line, this purple line, then that would have been very bullish, and we still probably had some moves to go up there. But it reversed, closed underneath it. That's very bearish. That's a fake break. And we're looking for further down. So let's go to the RSI down here. Also, another bearish divergence moving to the downside. We should get some down movement there. If not, all the way to the point to where we might get oversold. If it's still a wave 4, we should see both of these go down to a very deep retrace down to oversold territory. All right, spent a lot of time on that one. Let's go down to 65, see what we can see down there. I just want to really show you one thing, getting down there. So after this wave 3 correction, we had an A, B, C, and you see right here, I have it labeled as a 1, 2, but this is actually, I was doing that off of a bullish count. So what we have here is an A. If this is going the way I think it is. Let me just say it. I don't want to waste your time here. Let me get rid of these. A 3-wave move up, 3-wave move down, and a 5-wave move up. Well, I do actually think we had our 3-wave move up here, 3-wave down, and then a really impulsive 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the 1618 extension retrace, and then right now we had this this ascending triangle breakout and then fake out. So the expected move is 4-6-4-3. I do think we'll hit that area probably by tomorrow. Maybe get a bounce off of there for the Thanksgiving. Start to I don't think we're going to impulse through Thanksgiving, but we'll see. We have to watch price action. We didn't know that this would actually happen today. So very bearish price action here. And then on the MACD, same thing. Couldn't get over this rising pivot, bounced off of it, came back, and actually had a bearish divergence there, and here as well. Couldn't stay above this rising pivot on the RSA, and now back under the 50 range there. So let's check out the SPY on the daily. Okay, we just want to look at the volume here. Really huge volume on this reversal. So not massive like these capitulation type or really massive moves here, but this is just a reversal. So we should see a pickup as this starts to go down. If this is a corrective wave, meaning that this is a impulsive wave 1 and this is a 2, on this wave 2, we shouldn't see much of a gain of volume. We should have this big one and start tapering off a little bit as price consolidates and retraces. Now, if this is what I think it is, and this is a C, a 5 impulsive wave move down, we should see the volume tomorrow pick up and start to pick up a little bit more. And it might be a little deceiving with Thanksgiving coming, so it won't be crazy amount of volume, but we should see a pickup in volume as price starts to shift to the downside. So we did close right underneath the 8 EMA. Maybe we get a tiny bounce tomorrow, but I do think we see follow through after this one. We'll have to see. Let's see what the price action brings us. Let's go over to VXX. This is the ETF for the it tracks the VIX futures. Just want to show that we had this falling pivot here that we really had trouble with, and now we actually closed back over it today over the 8 EMA. So looking good on that one. Let's go over to the VIX futures. Just so we could see on the big picture, we're looking at this falling wedge. We gapped up because of the futures contract, but we came right back over this support, now support, once formerly resistance. Came back, couldn't get under it, held the 200 days. So this is really looking bullish on the VIX futures here. And if we start to break above this wedge line, we really should see it start taking off. So that's pretty much it. All I want to show you there. We did look at Roku earlier today. I put that out publicly. So we do have we came right down to the options expected move for the week around 222. I'm looking I need to analyze this chart a little bit more, but we do have some sort of support over here. I want to call that more like a bow and arrow support, possibly a previous wave 4. And what we're looking at is a reversal candle here. So let's see if we get some follow through tomorrow. Just a simple bullish play here, more like a lotto. I did go out of the money on this one to see if we can reach this 246 area by the end of the week. So, just to kind of hedge what was happening, if price action on the market was to continue to go to the upside or pause throughout the week, then we'd probably see these names run. So that's why I did that. But Roku has been devastated. This was very poor chart, but I think we might be seeing a bottom here coming up pretty soon. So, okay. So that's it, you guys. Thanks for joining us here. Options Center. Don't forget to hit that like button. And if you want to receive these videos very often, hit that notification button just so you know that when they come out. And join a Patreon if you want. It's only $5 a month. And if you don't want to pay any money, we're in the options guide. It's all in the description below. So check that out and have a good night.